How to develop healthy eating habits. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Health Sabs. Today, we're abandoning the fad diets and diving deep into something way more sustainable, building healthy eating habits for life. Because let's face it, crash diets might get you quick results, but they rarely stick. We've all been there. Restrictive diets promise unrealistic weight loss in impossible time frames. The problem? They're not sustainable. They leave us feeling deprived, confused, and often lead to yo-yo dieting, which can be worse for our health in the long run. The key: building healthy habits. So, what's the alternative? Building healthy habits. This approach is about making small, sustainable changes you can stick with. It's about nourishing your body, feeling good, and ultimately reaching your health and wellness goals. Step 1. Prioritize real, whole foods. The foundation of healthy eating is real, whole foods. Think fruits and vegetables in all their vibrant colors, whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, and lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or beans. Share your favorite ways to sneak more veggies into your meals. These foods are packed with nutrients that keep you energized and satisfied and support your overall health. Step 2. Make smart swaps, not sacrifices. Don't think healthy eating means sacrificing everything you love. It's about making smart swaps. Swap sugary sodas for sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. Opt for air-popped popcorn instead of greasy chips. What are your biggest unhealthy snack temptations? Let's brainstorm some healthy alternatives together in the comments. Choose baked salmon over fried chicken. These small changes can make a big difference. Step 3. Plan and prep for success. Planning your meals and prepping healthy snacks in advance is a game changer. This way, you're not left scrambling for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. What are your biggest challenges with meal prepping? Let's share some time-saving tips in the comments. Make a grocery list focusing on whole foods and prep some chopped veggies or portion out snacks to grab on the go. Step 4. Practice mindful eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Slow down. Savor your food. Put down your fork between bites and listen to your body's hunger cues. Mindful eating helps you appreciate your food, avoid overeating, and develop a healthy relationship with food. Step 5. Don't deprive yourself. Deprivation is a recipe for disaster. Allow yourself to enjoy occasional treats. Life is meant to be savored. The key is moderation. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate instead of a whole candy bar, or a slice of homemade pizza instead of takeout. Step 6. Don't go it alone. Building healthy habits is easier with support. Enlist a friend or family member to join you on your journey. Cook healthy meals together, or hold each other accountable for your goals. Having a support system can make a world of difference. Building healthy habits takes time and self-compassion. There will be setbacks, but that's okay. Just pick yourself up and keep moving forward. Celebrate your non-scale victories: increased energy, better mood, improved digestion. These are all signs you're on the right track to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments below what healthy habits you're already practicing, or what challenges you're facing. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle content.